Hi, I'm on Wythburn Street in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a recently renovated 2-bedroom terrace. As you can see at the end of the property, it's been done to a really high standard throughout. So go into a porch which leads on through. This is open plan, lounge and dining room separated by the archway in the middle. Be a great social space. And then towards the rear, we have this stylish, modern fitted kitchen. Provides access to a low maintenance courtyard garden to the back. Property is ideally located within walking distance of Langworthy tram stop, which provides direct access into Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester city centre, making it an ideal first time home or investment. As we get towards the top of the stairs, straight on we have this large main bedroom, which is a big double bedroom as you can see. You'll notice as we go throughout, property is a bit of a blank canvas for someone to put their own stamp on it and really make it their own. And finally, we have this gorgeous contemporary 3-piece shower room, and done to a really high standard as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.